you how I transformed this dresser from trash to treasure. So if you want to see how I did that, then just keep watching. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Glenda Chavez, and on my channel you will find all kinds of DIY content, including furniture flipping. Now, this dresser I picked up off of Facebook Marketplace for free on my way home one day from work. This dresser is 100% solid wood, extremely heavy, well built. Now, after looking through the drawers, I discovered that it's actually made in the USA, so it's American-made furniture, which makes it highly desirable when I refurbish it and I try to sell this. Now, overall, the dresser is in really good shape, except for one broken drawer front, which I'm not really worried about. I figured it was gonna be pretty simple to fix, and I'll show you how I'm gonna be doing that. Besides the broken drawer front, there was nothing wrong with this, so I'm super excited that this is another piece that we are rescuing from possibly ending up in our landfill. So without wasting any more time, let's go ahead and get started. So I am not going to be keeping the original hardware just because not a fan. I want to modernize it a little bit, so I am going to fill these holes on some of the drawers, not all of them. I don't want to waste any time, so while I wait for my wood filler to dry, I'm just going to go ahead and scuff sand the entire piece, and then we'll be ready to sand the actual drawer fronts. So I wanted to quickly show you guys the reason why we're not going to be spraying in the garage is I've got too much furniture in here. I don't have enough space. I picked up quite a few pieces here within the last week or so. So we're gonna have to spray out here. It is fairly windy, like really windy, as you can see. So I'm gonna have to figure out how to set up here to block the wind and still be able to spray here. So let's figure it out. The color that I'm using today is called Pristine Wilderness by Valspar or Sherwin-Williams. Good morning. It is day 3 on this project, and I woke up this morning like around, I want to say it was like 6:30, and I went ahead and did a second coat of color on this dresser, and now we're ready to start staining the top. So before we apply our stain, I'm going to be using a PreStain conditioner to make sure that I can get an even coverage when we go to stain. I don't want this to turn into a splotchy top. I want to be uniformed, one color, not splotchy. So in order to achieve that, I find that using a PreStain really does help. If you've ever stained anything and you find that there was splotchiness, try using a PreStain conditioner, and that usually will help prevent that from happening. Take a moment to remember what this dresser used to look like and what it looks like now. Now let's go ahead and talk numbers for this project. I spent $0 to purchase the dresser. Even though I purchased the hardware for $42 off of Amazon, I didn't use the entire 20-piece package. So I'm only gonna account for the ones that I used because the leftover I will be able to use on a different project. So let's say we spent about $25 of hardware. And then we also spent about $30 in supplies, and bringing our total cost to about $55 for this project. Now, I will be listing this on Facebook Marketplace like I always do. If you don't already follow me on Instagram, head on over to Instagram at Glenda Chavez 42509 and give me a follow so that you can get an update when and how much I end up selling this dresser for. Also, let me know your thoughts in the comments below. You guys stay safe, be kind, and we'll see y'all next week. Bye, YouTube.